Hello crypto fam, welcome to back my tip channel. Today with our videos I'm going to deep dive with the project making a real data decision, making analytics and collection of data with simple prompt. How actually it's going to done? Yes, that's right. We're going to deep dive with your project. It's called the Zero Sheets, and now Sheet 0, where you can do effortless chatting and AI will give you best faster results, will save your time. So let's just start there. First of all, you can sign up to your account for first time and new password and 6 digit confirm password that continue with email. Google account with create your account creation also come in the interface. So get some templates that have been related to your scrap companies. There are also the batches or subcategories like the templates you want to get for. You can also mean here research, business, education, finance, yeah, technology, and stock, social media, e-commerce here, whatever you want documentation easily get here. And now get here, they're like you're also going to check it now how to create ones and give your script. Then you can also proceed the next means. Here's the script what we have added. Then you can also give here some links here to mean your website link. If you want to add interface reference, you want to get website link have been provided. Now you need to copy one link and paste here, give data, and the short zero should be work on it. So it's very simple. Just you need to come on site where you want to get a link here on site. All data list will generated on Sheet 0 now after coming on the Sheet 0, where we have give a prompt like the prompt size that going to using your need to paste your link here that we have. Click on these options, and you can also check thinking out after run it will be done. So just need you click on the run option, and then we check come to other face. You can also check the left side. We have given prompt, and now there are also prompt working there, thinking of 10 seconds and thinking good environment, navigation, and a URL. Have you provided the whole website going to readable automatically Sheet 0, and here it plays where we also get results just on the 2 minutes. So let's get started. So now you can also check it out here. How can we start work? Plan preview there to start in the step, and it have been automatically. You just need to give a prompt and what type of data you need to rather complete details. So done by the whole Sheet 0, and there are also products. I mean, also ready. You can also check it here. Your network, relationships, authenticity, biography, and now the 5 celebrities. So 50 celebrities I have already given to a command the Sheet 0 that now now we can also insert if you want to add any columns of row. So you want to add it, then you can also do here. There is also layout can. So check short, medium, tall, narrow, then wide. There are also export to CVS2. So you can also check share your friends to if you want to come into browser. And there you can see also here the look so basically, and also check out everything here that you know about the select here. And then you can also come to browser and also going to open. So I hope you understand everything about actually its work. So if you come back and show you rather, and you have and give your prompt ready to research. So now we are going to give it here research 50. You can also use one of the tools template. You can we can also use this that like here top of 10 universities link here. We have click on the run. So option there, you can also check the top universities here a link. You can also you can see options here and click on check how to actually work. And I'm trying to give already choose the template here and also help to 10 universities and term the ranking of 2021 2024 here. And you can also ranking here URL I have attached. There also check how actually going to start their work. And now we soon here and also compile whole data for finally result be shown their plate. And 0 means the 0 sheet here working automatically, and just need to come the link here in my video description. Now you can easily very soon here result to be shared because also going here. So there is a list to be created by rhetoric that we have Sheet 0, and there are also complete list we can also show it here. So I can understand everything how actually Sheet 0 going to saving, and the time to giving prompt every simple here to our result will be ready. And thanks for watching. So this is our platform. I hope you understand all the details all the details are here. You can see my video description can easily get here. You can very soon results share because going to the thinking and brain process being done. So check it out here. This is the thinking process here, and now it's done, and you can see here create by work, and you have shared zero sheet and also complete the list. We can also do it. So I hope understand everything. So we're